Let's have a quick look at this Jackery portable power supply. Now the kit that I got includes 2 solar panels, and I'll spread those out so you can see what that looks like. It comes with a 120 volt cord to plug it into the wall so that you can charge it. It comes with a charging cable so you can actually charge it with your car. It comes with a very well crafted, easy to read manual, and it comes with a little bag to carry the cords in. Now, the reason I got this particular model, the Jackery 2000, is that the output of this is 3,000 watts, which means anything that I can plug into a wall receptacle in my home, this thing will power. It'll power the microwave, it'll power the toaster, it'll power my coffee maker, it'll power just about anything, including the washing machine. When I first plug in my freezer, you'll notice the wattage draw is higher than it will be during normal operation. If the freezer were the only thing plugged into this Jackery battery powered supply and it ran constantly, the power supply would keep it running for at least 24 hours. One of the features that I like about this portable power supply is that you can use it when the battery is charging. For example, I have the solar panels plugged in charging the battery, and I can make myself a cup of coffee. With the solar panels connected, this portable power station is charging at around 365 watts, which means the panels are working real well. I've laid them flat on the ground since the sun is directly overhead, and as you can see, it'll take about 3.5 hours to fully charge the battery to 100%. Charging this portable power station is much faster when plugged into a household outlet, so you'll likely use the solar panels mainly during a power outage. And at 56%, it takes about an hour to fully charge from the wall socket. If the battery were completely drained, it would take roughly 2.5 hours. On the front of this power supply, you'll find 4 20-amp household outlets, 2 standard USB ports, and 2 USB-C ports for charging your devices. It also includes a 30-amp RV connector and a 12-volt outlet, the kind you often see in cars. With the free Jackery app you can download from the App Store, you can monitor all the operations of your portable power supply right from your phone. Now, this power supply comes with a 36-month warranty from the manufacturer, but I was pleasantly surprised to discover that the manufacturer offers a free 2-year warranty extension. All you need to do is register the product, and you'll find that information in the manual that comes with the unit. Now, if you found this information helpful, please hit the like button so more people will have a chance to see it. Thanks for watching.